Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a speed build of my island entrance. The theme of my island is like a Woodsy cottagecore theme. I hope you enjoy it. So to start with, I'm just going to be doing some terraforming just to make some cliffs and to hide my resident services a bit because I don't really want it to be visible from my entrance. So here I just started waterscaping. I wanted a nice waterfall to be at the front of my entrance. I wanted it to be like diagonal. I don't like when it looks unnatural. I didn't want it to be just straight. I also like to leave like a square in the middle. I think it makes it look cooler because I only really like the single waterfalls. Here I'm just making like a small pond leading from my waterfall because I love the diagonal bridges, so I wanted to include that in my entrance as well. Now I'm just going to be placing some trees. I like the cedar trees, and I also like some apple trees as well as the normal trees. So this is when it got to the path, and I found this a bit tricky. I wanted to use the normal dirt path at first, so then that didn't work. So then I used the circle dirt path, and the little square in the middle, you'll see what I mean, but it doesn't fit the right way. So then I went and tried to find one that did fit, and I couldn't find it, so I had to do it a different way, but I ended up really liking how it turned out. Across the pond I used the normal dirt path. I wanted to try and alternate my paths a bit. As you can see, I've already completed some of the areas around my island. I actually flattened my entrance because I didn't like it, so now I'm just doing a path leading to my other path and resident services. This is the part where I realised my bridge didn't actually fit, so I had to destroy the cliff that I built on the right and redo it. Now I'm just placing around some design codes. I've got some flowers and some clovers, and I think they look really pretty. This is the part where I wanted to start decorating, so I just started collecting all my items and headed back over to my entrance. I've seen a lot of pictures and videos where people make like caves on their cliffs, and I thought it was really cool, but I did actually end up moving it because I didn't think it looked right up on the top cliff, so I put it on the bottom cliff so you could see it from my entrance properly, and I think it turns out really nice. Here's me really struggling where to put this destination signpost. I think I've moved it about a million times, but I ended up putting it somewhere where I liked it. But it did take some time, so please be patient with that. So here I'm just crafting some smaller items to dot around. I really like the decoy duck. He's probably my favourite craftable item, so I had to include him, obviously. So on this little cliff, I decided to make a reading area. I swapped this around about a million times, so we're just going to pretend that didn't happen. I really like the mushroom items, but I actually missed the event because I stopped playing for like 2 months, I think. But I ended up just going on Nookazon and looking on Facebook groups, and I ended up getting some together so I could put them in the video. Now I'm just putting down my flowers. I really like the white flowers, so I've gone mainly white, but I also love green mums, so I've put some of them in there as well. But I was supposed to put weeds down too, but I completely forgot, and I think it's really annoying that I forgot that because I always use weeds. But anyway, I ended up doing that off camera. This is me just trying to connect the area that I've already built on the right to my entrance. It doesn't look the best, so I did actually go back and fix that off camera. To finish with, I'm just dropping some mushrooms around, and this is the finished look, and I hope you like it.